All right, guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. And today's video, we're going to be installing the JDM FD2 hazard light button. Oh wait, it's right here. Shout out to my boy Caesar. Caesar, if you're watching this, thank you so much again. I appreciate it. We're gonna have this bad boy installed today. But you need a pick tool, and I believe you need an 8mm or a Phillips head screwdriver to install this. And you need to carefully pry it all out. Mine looked like it was like just replaced, kind of. So it came out very, very easily. Like, I pulled it out with my bare hands. So yeah, so when you get under here, there's like a little knob that you turn. That right there sits under here. You turn that in this position just like that. Then you pry it all out. Boom, that comes out. And then you gently want to pull this out. So yeah, yeah, this is not gonna work with my hands. All right, guys, so far I got those two pieces of trim. Now I'm up to the actual, tachometer, bezel, whatever you want to call it. But when you're pulling it out, be mindful that there's a screw right there. It's a Phillips head. Yeah, I was tugging on it for so long, like, yo, why is it stuck on? And then I looked, and I'm like, there's a fucking screw there. So you take that off, and also there's two connectors that hold this. There's the traction control, and I believe your fog light. All right, guys, one section of the dashboard is taken off. There's actually three connectors on my car. You got green, I believe, is the fog light. White is for the, I believe, dimming the tack, and blue is for traction control, I believe. But yeah, one side is off. Now I'm up to the bitchy part. You see right here. Let me use my damn flashlight. Right here. So right here, there's this little thing right there that you're supposed to take off. You're supposed to pry that out, and then there's two 8mm. So keep that in mind as well. Whoever owned the car before me put this head unit in. They actually left out those annoying fucking screws. So yeah, this pretty much saved me a bunch of time. So now I just gotta go behind the dash, and voila, this is the sensor. I gotta, yeah, what is that? Phillips heads, Allen key? I don't know. Can't really see, but I'm unplugging everything right now, and then I'm gonna install the new button. All right, guys, so once you got your dashboard out, there are, looks like there's two Phillips head screws that are holding the button in. So I'm gonna take those screws out, take the old button out, and then put the new one on. All right, guys, we got this whack shit right here. And now we got this heat right here. This is fucking nice. So now, same way, just put it in as like OEM. Well, this is technically OEM, but you get what I mean. Put it in here, screw it back in, and then you got to put this entire dash back together. Button is installed. I wish my bezel was mint, because now it kind of looks out of place on this trash ass bezel, but still a major improvement. Still looks so fucking good. Now I know how to take this whole dashboard apart. Maybe later down the line I'll get the whole trim carbon fiber or hydro dipped carbon fiber. I don't know yet, but yeah, the button's in. Now I gotta figure out all of these damn wires and how to put everything back together. And then after that, I'm gonna change my spark plugs, because I was supposed to change them before the dyno day, but just didn't have time to. Button is on. The thing works. It lights up. It's just hard to tell. Like, let me see. All right, it works. It's just, what time is it right now? It's like in the afternoon. It's 3 in the afternoon right now. You won't be able to tell unless I show you guys at night, which I will do later. For everyone wondering why I don't work on my fucking car, bro, always some fucking bitch ass shit that goes wrong, bro. This is exactly why. I don't have a fucking pick tool. All right, guys. Yo, what time is it now? It's 4:43. It's almost 5 o'clock. It took forever to do these spark plugs in this damn car, bro. Yo, I know you guys always wonder, like, yo, you get a bunch of mods, but don't put the mods on yourself. And trust me, I think about that all the fucking time. But this is the fucking reason, bro. Like, I don't have the time or patience to be sitting here for like 2 hours trying to figure out how to put something on, you know? I'm impatient. That's my problem, and I'm trying to grow out of that. But, bro, I think I put it somewhere in the video, like the piece of the coil pack got fucked up, and then it got stuck inside the cylinder. But thankfully, I pried it out with a fucking screwdriver and yanked that shit out. And thankfully it came out. But yo, I'm so tired and beat. I was gonna wash the car, but I don't even know if I want to wash the car right now. But dogs, that was fucking painful. But car's on, running beautifully as ever on these damn injectors. I'm recording on the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Let me know how the quality is between this phone and my old phone that I used to record on. Yes, fucking demolished. I'm pretty much using it as a fucking iPod right now. Polishing my tip, pause, ayo. But this is what I'm using. Very simple to use, honestly. I mean, everybody knows how to use it. That's how dirty my exhaust was. Crazy. But it fucking works. Works wonders. I used it before. Gotta clean off the rays, you feel me? Gotta clean off the poor man's T37s. These wheels look so fucking good though. But yeah, the exhaust, well, the tip pause is pretty shiny now. Pretty fucking good, if you ask me. But yeah, I'm using Griot's products right now. It's the nighttime now. As you can see, that's the button. Looks so freaking cool, bro. I don't know if it's just me because it's new, but it just feels so good to press. But minor details make a big difference in a car. I swear to God. Definitely gonna consider doing the FD2 cluster before I do the rear end, because I didn't know with the trunk, FD2 trunk, you have to buy a FD2 bumper or FD1 bumper. And I didn't know that. So I'm kind of rethinking now, because I really like the FA5's bumper, rear bumper, especially with the HFP lip. And that's like the hardest thing to find. So but then again, if I do decide to go FD2 rear, I'm 100% going to keep my my rear bumper and HFP lip, unless somebody offers me pretty damn good money for it. It's not in the best shape, but still very rare. So hope you guys enjoyed this short little video. Peace out. Subscribe.